Hi, this is Heidi from stonegnome.com. I have previously showed you how you can cast on for Tunisian crochet using 2 hooks. It's also possible to cast on with just 1 hook. I have borrowed this technique from a knitting cast on and made a few adjustments. If you knit, and I don't, but I still know this one, if you knit you might know this version. It goes like this. You start with a slip knot as usual. Make sure you have a long tail next to your working yarn. Keep the tail closer to you. Push the hook behind and under the tail. Hold on to the loops at the hook. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Once more. Hook behind and under. Hold on. Yarn over and pull through. Repeat this and make sure to keep it even and with a loose tension, because then you don't have to go up in hook size. I will show you some samples. Here I have a foundation row that is made from regular chains, but I use the back bumps of the chains to hook into when I pull up loops. And here I have the 1 hook cast on. And you can see it's not exactly chains at the bottom here, but it's still got a very nice edge. Thank you for watching. I also have a 2 hook technique for casting on. See my list of videos to find that. If you like this video, I would love a like and share. If you want to follow me, subscribe here or visit my blog at stonegnome.com. Thank you.